Welcome to Wellness Botanics, where we explore natural wellness through herbs, roots, and plant wisdom. Today's focus is a kitchen staple that many already have: ginger, showcased in its fresh form, slices, and a comforting brew. Ginger is a warming root used for centuries in traditional medicine across Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Celebrated as a powerful natural remedy, Benefit 1 is digestion support, as ginger helps stimulate digestive enzymes and promotes smoother movement of food through the stomach. Benefit 2 is reduced nausea, where small sips of ginger tea or a bite of ginger can provide welcome relief. Benefit 3 highlights anti-inflammatory properties that support joints and muscles over time. Benefit 4 focuses on immunity, with ginger's warming and antibacterial qualities, often paired with lemon and honey. Benefit 5 is circulation, where ginger's warming properties can help promote healthy blood flow throughout the body. How to use ginger safely: simple tea, adding it to meals, or infusing warm water, starting small and practicing moderation. Important note: if you are pregnant or have a medical condition, consult a healthcare professional before using herbs regularly.